Okay, this one here now. A equals 4, B equals 3, C equals -2. So let's see. Let's take the template down. Okay. You've got four here, and then times C squared. Okay. What's C squared? Well, -2. This is C here. You've got to square it. So -2 times -2, that will be +4. Okay, so it's basically 4 times 4 here. Take away. Let's imagine this to be in a bubble here. So notice that the minus sign's on the outside of the bubble. Okay, so we've got a bubble here. 3 times -2, that would be -6. So the -6 goes into here. Okay, and then let's have a look at this bubble here. This bubble here minus here B times C. B times C, that will be -6. Okay, so the -6 goes into here, and then minus C. Well, C is -2, so let's put the -2 into the C. -2. You see, this minus is on the outside. You see that there? Okay, and now we've got 4 times B. 4 times B is basically B is 3, so it will be 12. And then this bubble here would be 3 times -2, which will be -6. Okay, so all that there becomes that. Let's tidy up. Let's take a template down here. Hang on. So here, this would be 16. 16. Now we're going to plug this minus out here. So minus and minus. So that will be a +6. Okay. Here I'm going to plug this minus outside here. It's annoying when you have a minus inside this bubble here. Minus and minus. Well, just plug the minus outside here and turn it into a plus. So it's basically +2. Okay. And then here, normally if you have something like 30 divided by -5, say, you would get 30 divided by 5, which is, I don't get 6, we don't care. And then you would look at the sign. You would look at the sign. So basically, if you have 30 divided by -5, you would get 30 divided by 5 as normal. And then you would look at the sign. There's only one negative, so the answer would be negative. But my point is that you can move the negative up here, because when you get 30 divided by 5, you would look at the negative. There's only one negative, so it doesn't matter if it's at the bottom or at the top. So I can actually move the negative up here. Okay, so what I'm trying to say is that you would get 12 divided by 6 as normal. Then you would look at the sign. There's only one negative. Well, having one negative at the bottom is the same as having one negative at the top. Okay, because you're just going to get 12 divided by 6, and then you would look at the sign. There's only one negative, so having the negative at the bottom is pretty much the same as having a negative at the top, because there's only one sign anyway. Now this is like in a bubble here. I can actually take the negative outside here. So all that there becomes 12 over 6. So hang on. Earlier was let me start again. Earlier was this. So you've got a number here. Okay. I can actually move the negative to the top. Because I'm just going to get 12 divided by 6. I can move the negative. So this is the same thing here. Okay, so it's actually -12 over 6. Now the negatives at the top, I can actually take the negative outside here. So this becomes a plus, and this, so basically it becomes plus 12 over 6. Because earlier it was this. It was this here, and it's minus, and then you've got, so basically we're just tidying it up. So move the negative to the top, and then take When it's at the top, take it outside here, so it becomes plus 12 over 6. Okay, so so let's continue with this. So merge these two together, so that would be 22. Minus 6 plus 2 would be minus 4. Okay, so plus 12 over 6. Let's tidy this. Here I can actually move this negative to the top as well. Okay, I'm going to do that. I'm going to move it to the top like that. Plus 12 over 6. Let's simplify now. Even number. So I'm going to divide top and bottom by 2. Divide top and bottom by 2. So this would be minus 11 over 2 plus, I'm going to even number, so I'm going to divide top and bottom by 2. So that would be 12 divided by 2 would be 6, 6 divided by 2 would be 3. Okay? Basically, it's just a matter of adding these two fractions together. So now there are easy ways, but let's just do it this way. Times top and bottom by 3, times top and bottom here by 2. Okay? So that would be minus 33. This 2 times 3 is 6. Plus, well, 6 times 2 is 12. Yeah, I'm doing this the long way, sorry. So basically it's that. Now the two denominators are the same. You can actually merge them. Okay? So it becomes this. 6 minus 3 plus 12. So now, minus 33 plus 12, that would be that would be 21, minus 21 over 6. So the answer is minus 21 over 6. Yeah, well, when you're up here, actually, yeah, when you're here, just do your own method. Somehow just add these two fractions together. It's basically this fraction here, add this fraction here. There might be easier ways, but yeah, just basically when you're here, just add the two fractions together.